So you can start getting paid just by typing words. So I'm going to share with you in these websites how you can get started right now. So make sure you keep watching this video all the way to the end because you can make this type of money if you put in the work. And I'm going to share with you two websites that you can get paid to start typing words. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos. And then right at the end of this video, I want you to go straight down into the comment section and let me know where you're watching this video from. Also, check out the first link in the description and just sign up. And then immediately, I want you to go watch Click and Earn video after you finish watching this video so you can start earning money online right away. And we're going to get started. So there's a few different websites. Now, the website that I'm going to share with you, it's going to show you how you can start getting paid just to type words. So you can do like simple little CAPTCHA, simple little text. You can click CAPTCHA, you could rotate, you could do reCAPTCHA, so many different types and ways how you can earn money on this particular website. Now, the reason why I'm sharing with you two particular websites is because these websites don't pay out a lot, and in order for you to make a good amount of money, you're gonna have to definitely put in the work. So as you can see right here, per 1,000 reCAPTCHA is like $1.01. So if you really put in the rates over here per normal rates, it's like 4 cents, sorry, 40 cents. The capture speed, if you can do 11 seconds or 21 seconds, temporary. So right over here, you can get like $2.99 per reCAPTCHA, and this one as well, you can get 75 cents per thousand, the speed that you have to go. So this is what the customers are actually looking for, and this is the stats of the actual workers. And the stats of the workers, meaning you're going to be going in here and you're going to be putting in some time just by typing words as fast as possible. And it's just really simple capture that you have to do. So they start from 50 cents per 1,000. So you get 50 cents and it's available. It's very popular in different language and less than 12 seconds, easy to use and everything. So if you want to go register, all you have to do is just click on the register tab right here. Once you click on the register tab, the only thing that you have to do is simply just type in these two words. So if you put in read, and over this, it looks like it's an M, it's an R, and it's an S. It could be a T. It looks like a T, and it also looks like an R, but you could just try to see which one works. So this is the simple CAPTCHA, and this is the reCAPTCHA. And then once you do that, all you have to do is, just submit. So these are the little things that you have to do in order for you to make money. So there's not too many stress and there's not too many things that you have to do. So the website that you need to visit, you want to go to 2captcha.com. So 2captcha.com. So you could type in this 2captcha.com. And if you want to work for the company, all you have to do is just come right here, just click on it. And then once you click on it, you will see all the different online CAPTCHA typing jobs. So all you're doing is type in words. So in order for you to do this, you have to make sure that you have a computer. You're going to need a keyboard and, of course, good internet connection. So the idea of this is numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically. So the people that coming on here, they want to, they will pay you just by getting started to work. So all you have to do is just register for the account, hit start work, and after 5 to 10 minutes of beginning, you're going to start earning money. So there it is, 5 to 10 minutes in, you start making money. And if you want to go figure out how much you got, 20 to 80 cents, this is like some different things that you have to do. But if you want to come down here and look and see what are some of the frequently asked questions, and of course, you're not going to get super rich by doing this, but you can make money. You could make money on here. And then the next website that I'm going to share with you is you can head on over to megatypers.com. So go to megatypers.com, and what megatypers.com, you can earn $200 every month. That's $200 that you did not have. So you can start making that money. That's extra money on the side. You could do the 2captcha, and you can also do the megatypers, and start making money. So it is free to sign up. As you can see, you sign up for free and you just get to work immediately. So this is good for moms that like stay-at-home moms, parents that need a second job, students, or people that is in between jobs. So if you don't have a job right now, this would be good for you. If you're a student, this would be good. If you need a second job, this is good. And if you're a stay-at-home mom already, so $200 every month as a side hustle, I think that is good because they're currently working on trying to get it around the globe, right? So for right now, they want to make sure that you got internet. As I said, make sure you got internet, make sure you have good computer, and at least 10 words per minute. So if you could type at least 10 words per minute, you can look at their schedule because it's very flexible, and you can work any hour that you want. So you don't have to say, okay, well, after you finish your 9 to 5 or your 8 to 4 or your 6 to 2 or whatever time it is, just come here and go to megatypers.com. And once you go here, you could start making money. So top earners so far, as you can see, 100 to $250 each month. And if you want to spend more time, you could do that. So you can get paid in bank checks, you could get paid through your debit card, you could get paid through PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Pays Out, Western Union. So quickly just sign up. You just click on here, and once you click on it, you're going to put your email address in. Make sure it is a valid email. Don't be making up no email, because if they figure out that you're using a fake email, maybe they will block you, and you don't want that. So put in your email address, put in a password, put your name in. How would you like to get paid? That's the first thing. Do you want to get PayPal? Do you want to get Western Union? Do you want to get the Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, or you want to do web web money? So make sure that, warning, this information cannot be changed. So make sure that you put in the correct information. So if you're gonna use PayPal, use PayPal. If you use something else, and that, because otherwise, we do not promote use a third-party app. So don't try to use any like VPN and all that kind of stuff. If you do, they're gonna shut you down. Make sure you say you're not a robot and just quickly register and just get to work immediately. So those are two great websites that you can go to 2captcha.com and Megatypers. So this is how you can get paid just to type words. So you can get paid typing words and you can earn money immediately. So if you want to go check out this video that I talked about, click and earn, and you can start clicking and earn, making $100 using this brand new website. So go right now, go see it, and make sure you like, subscribe, and become a part of the team. I'll catch you in the next video. The name is Andre. Check out the first link in the description. Go sign up right now and go get started. See you in the next video. Peace.